Minimalism is a design philosophy, a lifestyle, and a fashion aesthetic that's all about intentionality. Born out of post-World War II art movements and later popularized through architecture and design in the mid-20th century, minimalism began to appear in fashion during the 1960s and 70s, driven by a desire for simplicity and a shift away from more extravagant styles. This trend continued into the 1980s with designers like Jill Sander, Martin Giella, and Calvin Klein embracing clean lines and minimalist aesthetics. The 1990s saw minimalism further solidify its place in fashion, influencing everything from grunge to basic wear. And while many people might not think minimalism when they think crochet, there are quite a few great artists and designers out there who are pairing the two with gorgeous modern designs. When crochet is fused with minimalist design, the result is something effortlessly elegant, such as subtle textures, simple silhouettes, and wearables that are perfect for your capsule wardrobe. I know for me, I'm definitely not a minimalist. If you've been around here for a while, you definitely know that. But I am in the process of building my capsule wardrobe and view minimalist patterns as a perfect way to make nice timeless pieces. And so I've separated all of these patterns into 5 different categories: tops, cardigans, bottoms, dresses, and accessories. And all of these patterns are free, and at least they are at the time of this video. So if you're watching this a year from now and they're not free anymore, don't come for me in the comments, okay? And as always, you can find all of the exact links to all the patterns that I mentioned over on my blog, which is linked in the description box below. All right, let's get started. First is this easy slip-on sweater by the designers from Paintbox Yarns. It's easy to create and begins with the front, beginning with the left and right neck shaping, then the back panel, and then the left and then the right neck shaping. And lastly, you sew it all together to finish it off. And there are sizes small to 3XL for this one. Next is the My Favorite Crochet Summer Top by A Crochet Simplicity. This one's rated easy to create, and I think it's more suitable for a confident beginner, but you do need to be more comfortable with a couple of special stitches and garment construction, and it has a bit of open work for the back and some waist shaping. And this pattern is seamless, which is pretty cool. The special stitches are the double crochet decrease, alternative double crochet, and join yarn with the standing single and standing double crochet. And this one has sizes extra small to 4XL. Or make the Skylar crop top by For the Frills. The construction is super simple. For it, you crochet a rectangle, sew the edges together, and then braid some straps on the edge of the crop top. And the rectangle is made up of half double crochets, which gives it that nice knit-like or closed work look. This pattern has sizes extra small to 3XL and would make a perfect addition to your summer capsule wardrobe for sure. Next is the Color Block Top by Yarnspirations. This top fits sizes extra small to 5XL, and it's beginner level to make, as the only special stitch is the double crochet 2 together. To create it, you start with the back, then shape the sleeves. Then you create the front with neck shaping and finish it off by sewing the shoulder and side seams with a bit of neck edging. So this pattern would definitely be perfect for the more confident beginner who wants to get more comfortable with constructing garments for sure. I also liked this simple square halter top by Caraway Crochet. It's beginner friendly to create and is made with the double crochet stitch, and there's also a treble stitch in every corner. It's perfect for summer and was inspired by the halter top designs of the 1960s and 70s, and it has sizes extra small to 5XL. Or make this nautical top pattern by Yarnspirations. It has sizes extra small to extra large, and to create it, you start with the front, then do the armhole shaping, V-neck shaping, and then finish it off with the back and some light sewing. And I loved how timeless this design is, and I thought that it would be really perfect for summer. I also liked this turtleneck pattern by Knit Crow Addict. It's beginner friendly, and the special stitch is the V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, all in the same stitch. The pattern has sizes extra small to 2XL, and it's made of 4 separate pieces that are sewn together. Then the collar is added, and the whole pattern is worked from the bottom up. And this one would be really perfect for a fall or a winter staple piece, and it has a video tutorial to go along with it as well. All right, now I'll share some cardigans patterns. First is the Rhea Cropped Cardigan by My Crochetery. The pattern starts at the neckline and flows all the way down, so it's raglan style, and it's worked as a single piece as well, so you don't have to stitch it together at the end. A really interesting technique that's used for this one is working a half double crochet in between the stitches, which gives it a nice knit-like closed work look. And I love the fit of this one, and it's more intermediate level to make. It has 9 different sizes, which are based on bust circumference. Next is the Morning Mist Cardigan by Wool Cuddles, and it's beginner friendly to make. It has a nice open stitch design, and it creates a nice delicate breathable fabric with a lot of drape. It's worked in 5 panels, 1 back panel, 2 front panels, and 2 sleeves. Then finish it off with the collar, and there are sizes extra small to 5XL for this one. Or make this button down cardigan by Knit Crow Addict. This one has sizes extra small to 2XL and is worked in 5 separate pieces from the bottom up that are sewn together. And to create it, you make the back panel, then the 2 front panels, and then the ribbing and sleeves, and join them all together. And I just really loved the length of this one and also the buttons, and it has a YouTube video tutorial to go along with it, which is really helpful if you like more visual tutorials. All right, now I'll share some bottoms patterns. First are the Simple Pants by Collie's Threads, and to create it you work the waistband, then work the body panel and legs, and there's also an option of creating a flared leg for the pant, and this one's a YouTube video tutorial over on their channel. Next are these pants or shorts by Hannah Drapinski. I liked the simple stripes on this one, and this one's also a YouTube video tutorial on their channel, and to create it you start with the waistband, then work down, and it's made to measure so you can make it to specifically fit to you. And if you really want to execute the minimalist vibe for this one, I could definitely see it in a bit more of a monochromatic look, and that way you could incorporate one of the colors that you use in the stripes to be the same color as the top that you're wearing with it and customize it nicely. You can also make shorts for this one, which I thought was really cool. Or you can make the Frances skirt by Hook Yarn Carabiner, and this one has a high-waisted fit, and it's designed to come halfway between the waist and knee, but it can easily be made longer or shorter depending on what you like. It has sizes small, medium, and large, and the special stitches that are used here are the picot and working into the front loops only. I really liked the way that they used the buttons for this one. This one would be perfect for that fall staple piece. All right, now I'll share some dress patterns. First is the Night Out Dress by Julia and Trazi. This piece has sizes small to extra large, and I thought it was really chic and elegant, and it has that nice high neck and is sleeveless with a split skirt, and it's worked from the top down starting at the ribbed neck. And with this one it'd be really easy to customize the exact length that you want it to be, as well as the depth of the split. Or make the Dress to Impress by Will Made. It's beginner friendly to make and has sizes extra small to 3XL, and the special stitches used to make it are the foundation half double crochet, front and back post half double crochet, and back post double crochet. The dress is worked from the bottom up and joined in rounds. I loved the clean lines and the timelessness of this one, and it would be perfect for summer for sure. You can also make this Cache core by knitting with chopsticks. It's beginner friendly to make and also has that nice classic and minimal look. The top is made of 2 rectangles that are sewed together, and the skirt is crocheted in the round. As long as you're comfortable with double crochet and the bead stitch, you can easily make this dress, and it has a nice oversized fit with 10 to 15 centimeters or 4 to 6 inches of ease, and there are sizes extra small to 5XL for this one. Or make this Summer Breeze dress by Eclair Makery. It's crocheted all in one piece with no seaming, which we love, and has sizes extra small to 3XL. It's a more intermediate level to make and is worked from the top down and would be perfect for summer as well. All right, now let's move on to accessories. First, I really liked this simple bag by Viv Crochets. It has a nice clean and modern design, and first you make the body, then the straps. It's beginner friendly to make, and there's also a YouTube video tutorial for this one over on their channel, which is really great if you love visual patterns. You could also make this beginner beanie by Sweet Softies. It measures 20 inches or 51 centimeters in circumference and can be stretched to fit 24 inches or 61 centimeters. The height is about 7.5 inches or 19 centimeters, and the only special stitches that are required to make it are the increased double crochet and working into the back loop only. And this one is worked with super bulky yarn, so it would work up quite quickly for sure. I also liked this twist headband by Jenny and Teddy. This one is really beginner friendly to make and easy to customize as you like. You simply create it flat with alternating single and double crochet until it's the desired width, then twist the rectangle and secure the twist, and then you have your own simple and seamless headband. Well, what did you think of all of these minimalist inspired crochet patterns? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe and join back up with me each week for more crochet inspiration. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me in the next one.